Hi and welcome to our channel. The following is a mock debate. Moderator, welcome to our debate on the hotly contested issue of net neutrality. Today, we have two distinguished guests representing different perspectives. On one side, we have Leo Laporte, the well-known tech expert and host of the YouTube channel TWIT. And on the other side, we have John Smith, a representative from a major ISP. Let's dive into the discussion. Moderator, Leo, as an advocate for net neutrality, you've been vocal about the importance of treating all internet data equally. Can you share your thoughts on why net neutrality is crucial in today's digital landscape?
Absolutely. Net neutrality is a fundamental principle that ensures an open and free internet for everyone. It prevents ISPs from favoring or discriminating against certain websites, services, or applications. It guarantees that all data is treated equally, allowing for fair competition, innovation, and access to information for all users, regardless of their location, background, or the size of their pockets.
Moderator, thank you, Leo. John, as a representative from a major ISP, what is your stance on net neutrality? John Smith, our ISP believes that net neutrality regulations stifle innovation and investment in broadband infrastructure. ISPs should have the flexibility to manage their networks and provide differentiated services to meet the demands of different customers. Net neutrality regulations are overly burdensome and limit ISPs' ability to provide tailored services to their customers. Moderator, Leo, what are some potential concerns with allowing ISPs to have flexibility in managing their networks and providing differentiated services? Leo Laporte, allowing ISPs to have unchecked control over the flow of internet data could lead to anti-competitive practices and create a tiered system where certain content or services are given preferential treatment, while others are throttled or blocked. This could limit access to information, stifle innovation, and create an unfair playing field for smaller businesses and startups. It could also raise privacy concerns as ISPs could potentially manipulate or prioritize certain data, including AI-generated data, leading to biased or incomplete results. Moderator, John, how do you respond to these concerns raised by Leo? John Smith, our ISP understands the concerns, but we believe that market forces and competition would drive fair practices. ISPs need flexibility in managing their networks to ensure efficient delivery of services to different customers with varying demands. Net neutrality regulations can hinder ISPs' ability to provide tailored services and innovate to meet the evolving needs of users. Moderator, Leo, do you believe that relying solely on market forces and competition would be enough to protect the principles of net neutrality?
Leo Laporte, no, I don't. History has shown that without proper regulations, ISPs have the potential to abuse their power and prioritize certain content or services, creating a tilted playing field. Net neutrality regulations are necessary to ensure that all data is treated equally and access to information and services is not dependent on the whims of ISPs. It's about protecting the rights and interests of all internet users, not just those with deeper pockets.
Moderator, John, what are the potential benefits of giving ISPs the flexibility to manage their networks without net neutrality regulations? John Smith, giving ISPs flexibility would allow them to innovate and invest in broadband infrastructure to better serve their customers. It could also create opportunities for new services and business models. ISPs need the ability to manage their networks efficiently and provide tailored services to meet the demands of users in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Moderator, we're running short on time, so we'll move to closing statements. Leo, in brief, why do you believe net neutrality is essential?
Leo Laporte, net neutrality is essential to ensure an open and free internet that promotes competition, innovation, and access to information for all users, regardless of their background or the size of the pockets. It prevents discrimination, promotes fair competition, and safeguards the principles of a free and open internet.
Moderator, thank you, Leo. John, your closing statement in support of the ISP perspective. John Smith, net neutrality regulations can hinder ISPs' ability to provide innovative services and manage their networks efficiently. Flexible policies would allow ISPs to meet the diverse needs of their customers and promote investment in broadband infrastructure. It's about finding a balance between regulation and innovation to ensure the continued growth and development of the internet. Moderator. Thank you, John. And with that, we conclude our mock debate on net neutrality. It's clear that this is a complex and contentious issue with varying perspectives. We encourage our viewers to stay informed, engage in discussions, and voice their opinions on this important topic. Thank you to our guests, Leo Laporte and John Smith, for sharing their insights. And thank you to our audience for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative debates on critical issues. Goodbye.